What is this?
This is a chair.
What is this?
It is an armchair.
What is this?
It is a couch. Chair, armchair, couch.
Who is this? This is Jamil.
What is Jamil doing?
He is sitting.
Where is he sitting?
He is sitting on a couch.
Is Jamil sitting on a chair?
No, he isn't.
Is Jamil sitting on an armchair?
No, he isn't.
Is Jamil sitting on a couch?
Yes, he is.
Who is this?
This is Lucy. She is Jamil's mother.
Is Lucy Turkish?
Yes, she is.
But Lucy is not a Turkish name.
Originally, Lucy is a British woman. She was born in England in 1990. Lucy grew up in England. She met Haroon at Oxford University.
Hello, I am Haroon from Turkey.
Hi, I am Lucy. Who is Haroon?
Haroon is Jamil's father.
And then?
Then Haroon and Lucy got married. Then they moved to Turkey.
Do they live in Turkey now?
Yes, they do.
Where do they live?
They live in Adana.
Is Jamil their only child?
Yes, he is.
What does Haroon do?
He is a lawyer.
Did he study law at Oxford University?
Yes, he did.
What does Lucy do?
She is a teacher.
What does she teach?
She teaches English.
Did she study teaching at Oxford?
No, she didn't. She also studied law.
Then, why is she a teacher?
She is a teacher because she loves children.
Does Haroon also like his job?
No, he doesn't.
Why not?
I don't like it because it is very boring.
What jobs does he like?
He likes exciting and dangerous jobs.
I always wanted to be a pilot.
What is Jamil's favorite job?
He wants to be a footballer.